Hey everybody, Grandpa Rails here with early February update. Got a train running. Been working on this peninsula right here. And what I've done is all the track is now glued down into place. Well, brewery. Gotta think of a name for this place. Don't know yet. And let's walk around this way. Let's see how I've got. This is going to be a team track. This will be a scrapyard. So I've got all this stuff installed, glued down. Got to work on my ground throws. Installed an AR10 because I got a reversing loop in here. And it's been tested. It works out really well. And let's see what else I got going on. Oh, 3D printed a gas station. Got to working on that a little bit. Made some taller places so a tractor trailer can come in and get fuel if they need it. It is one of the only gas stations on the layout. I'll have another one that's going to be a old time one in another spot. Found somebody that has some street stuff 3D and figured I'd try that out. He's got several different styles. He's got one that's got parking on the side and then the sidewalks. These have got the sidewalks in. So I'm playing with that a little bit. See how that works out. I'm going to start working on scenery now since I've basically got all my track done. So it won't look so boring. I'll actually get things going around in here. Probably even see some of that dreaded stuff called ballast going down in places. Maybe in the yard, so the yard looks a little bit more realistic. Anyway, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the like button. Share if you like. Make comments. And we will. Let's see, there's a train over here somewhere. Ah, there it is. Yeah, that one's going to get painted. That's, I believe that one is 215. That'd be Kimberly's. And then the other one over here, that'll be Jackson's. That'll be 613. Be painted up in orange and have the black decals on it. Anyway, rambling on now at this point. WKJ and GP and Grandpa Rails from the Twisted Rail Studios. We will see you later.